the largest expanse of coastal sand dunes in China. Formed a chain of sandy hills, this sand dune system winds southwards. Viewed from the air, it resembles a golden jewel on the Bohai Bay. The Golden Coast National Nature Reserve lies along the coast of the Bohai Bay in Hebei province. Its total area of 30,000 hectares comprises both land and sea. It is linked to a lagoon wetland. The landform here is unique, and the flora and fauna are highly varied. Château is one of the more mature dunes in the Golden Coast area. The regular monsoons keep it in a state of semi-stability. The ridges on the sand dunes often appear as elegant curves. Beneath the ridges, this scene is quite different. The ground beetles are looking for shelter. The seashore glory vines are still green. These unique sites along the coast testify to the complexity of natural evolution. The leaves begin to fall as winter approaches. The poplars shed their bright autumn robes. In the breeze, the reed catkins fall off, revealing the curves of the silent Luanahe River. The Luanahe originates on the Inner Mongolian Hebei border. Its constant flow nourishes the land on both sides while carrying large amounts of sediment downstream. After 870 kilometers, it finally empties into the Bohai Sea. At the river mouth, the warm ocean current divides in two. One current runs south down the coast, and the other north. The northward current carries fine sand to the beaches along the Golden Coast. In spring and summer, the strong southeast monsoon blows the sand inland. Gravity ensures that the grains are deposited along the coast, eventually forming dunes. The monsoon molds the dunes, while the plants transform the hills. Every year, the dried Komarov Russian thistles are swept off the dunes by the relentless wind. With the help of the monsoon, the surviving grass scatters its seeds on the hills. The plants prevent the quicksand from moving. Safe from the wind, the sand accumulates. The stable soil is a sanctuary where the plant life can flourish. The coastal sand dune is a geographic feature. It is also relatively rare. Fashioned by monsoons and ocean currents, the plants in quicksand are transformed. Here, this unique form of coastal evolution has never ceased.